It's not a matter of fear, but of great tension. The Shahed 136 is called the poor man's cruise missile because it is very cheap but causes great damage. America and its allies have the world's most expensive and advanced defense systems, such as the Patriot, but a Shahed drone costs only $20 to $50,000. Now, the problem is that to shoot down this cheap drone, America has to launch a missile worth $20,000 to $30,000. It's like having to buy a sword worth thousands of rupees every time you kill a monster. This will reduce the damage to the enemy and your treasury will be emptied faster. The second major reason is their swarm. These drones don't appear singly, but in groups of 40 to 50. When so many drones appear on radar simultaneously, even the largest systems get confused about which ones to shoot and which ones to leave. If 45 out of 50 fall and only 5 reach their target, they've done their job. Furthermore, they fly very slowly and very close to the ground, which is why larger radars can't detect them. The US fears that if a small group or country were to use these cheap drones against its major ships or bases, stopping them would be extremely difficult and costly. Therefore, the US is now working on missions like the Replicator program to counter this so that it too can develop such cheap and numerous drones.